Hi everybody, I have a little project I'm working on. I got these cute little boxes from Michaels. They look like a pocketbook. I thought they were adorable. I think there was only $2. Little box. So I painted the sides gold and I painted the handle black. So now I'm going to tape the sides and the handle off and do some type of pour on each side. So, isn't that adorable? So I will be back. I'll have the sides taped and I'll think about what I'm going to do. All right, hold on. Hi everybody. Okay, so I taped the sides, which you saw were gold and black, and I primed both sides. So I'm going to do one side, let that dry, and then the other side. And I just have a cup so it can drip. So we're going to do that side. I'm not sure if what I'm going to do is going to work, but we'll give it a try. We'll see.
Driving down the road that I grew up on once again. It's when I pass your door, the memories come back again. Pictures of us flooding back just like a wave. Makes me wonder what happened, what you're up to today. Remember when we stole your mother's car, we drove for days. Teenagers with too many feelings and rage. We were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause all I needed was my friend. Way back when, way back when, way back when. Remember when my father taught us how to play guitar, and we started up a band in my garage. We thought our dream would take us so far, but after a week or so it all just fell apart. But we were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time right now. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause all I needed was my friend. Way back when, way back when, we were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. Way back when, way back when. He got these yellow brown eyes and a smile on his face when he tells me he wants me. From the feelings I can hide when I dance and I sway with his arms tight around me. And sure I messed it up a little later on, but just for now I keep dancing. He and his yellow brown eyes and the smile at this point got the air feeling vibrant. Yeah, got the air feeling vibrant. Feels like the ceiling is high in this club, 'cause right now every move gets me soaring. And when the music's so loud I can't speak, but I sure like to feel it when he's near me. Now ain't it typical, I'm so predictable, but just for now I keep dancing. Here with these yellow brown eyes and the smile at this point really gets me excited. 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 So vibrant. I know I messed it up a little later on, but just for now I keep dancing. He and his yellow brown eyes and the smile at this point got the air feeling vibrant. So vibrant. So vibrant.
Here it is dried. I really like it a lot. I like this side better. Here's the other side. It's got gold. And see if I can show you. Opens up. Little trinket box. Put something nice in it. And there it is. I didn't resin because I'd have to unscrew the whole thing, but there it is. I think it looks great. Not bad. little nice little gift for somebody. All right, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Peace.